Hello, my name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. If you like my content, please like, subscribe, and share. Also provide feedback. Let me know how I'm doing. I'm doing a Dutch pour in 10 by 10 gallery wrap canvas. I am going to have a purple background, Dioxazine Purple, which I am putting on my canvas now. I just created a puddle, and now I am torching the bubbles. Then I'm going to blow out that background with a hairdryer. It's known as flooding the canvas. Make sure you cover the sides and those corners. Now, to avoid bubbles in your paint, you should mix your paint and then let it sit for a while. That way the bubbles will dissipate. The first color that I'm putting on is rose. Then I'm going to use black cherry. Followed by a sage. And that's a lilac. Then my last color will be an iridescent gold. I'm going to add a little more color to it. Basically my background colors to surround the colors I'm going to blow with. That additional paint helps the colors glide over it. I'm gonna blow my background color over the paint before I blow it out. Then next I'll use a mini blower to add a little bit more detail. I'll use a mini blower, and later in this video I'll use a straw to blow also. So again, if you have any questions, please leave them in the description below. I am Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. Creating is what we do.